We'll guide you through how to factory reset an ASUS laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you want a fresh start, or you're selling it or giving it away, it doesn't matter, but you want to go and remove everything. We're going to guide you through how this can be done step by step. Make sure this full guide and don't skip anything, as it's important information you need to know. Of course, everything is going to go and be lost, so make sure you backed up anything you want to go and keep. Now you can also do this if you've gone and forgotten your password as well, but still you are going to be losing all your files and data, etc. So make sure you want to go about this. Now, you can also do it while you're logged in. We are doing this logged out though. Now, what you need to do is go and press the space bar, go and click to go and get to the login screen. And you need to go and hold the left shift key, go to the bottom right, and you can go and press the power key and go and press restart. Then let go of shift after you've gone and pressed that. Now we can go and wait. It says, please wait. Shortly the screen is going to go black. Keep waiting. The boot screen will go through and then it should go and load us to this blue screen here and get us into recovery mode. So you've got the option for continue, turn off your PC, use the device and troubleshoot. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go and press troubleshoot and we can go and start resetting our PC. So click there. So what we can do is we can go and choose whether to go and keep or remove personal files and then reinstall Windows. So what we can do is go and click there like so, and you can then choose to go and keep files or to go and remove everything. So in this case, we want to go and remove everything because we want to go and do the reset. So we'll go and click remove everything. Now, it's important to note at this point, if it's turned on, which is BitLocker or drive encryption, you need to go and enter in the recovery key here. So it's going to go and say how you can get this. You can head to a link on the device and go and sign in from Microsoft account. Otherwise, just go and head to your Microsoft account on the other device and you can head to devices and go and find it. And what you can do is you can then go and get that key and type it in. It's quite long. And we can then go and choose how you want to go and reinstall Windows. I prefer to do a local reinstall. It saves having to go and download it again. Go and wait when it goes and gets things ready. And we're going to be able to go and confirm it here. So we can then go and choose how you want to go and reset it. I'll do all drives. And you can then go and choose if you want to go and do a full clean or just remove files. I'll just remove files and wait. And here you're going to go and just confirm what's going to go and happen. So just go and wait for this. It shouldn't go and take much longer. So you can go and remove all personal files and accounts on this device, remove any changes made to settings, remove all apps and programs that didn't come with the PC, and then reinstall Windows. So if you're sure, you can go and press reset and go and start the process. That's it. Leave a like if you found this useful.